Okay, so what we have here, we have two Python scripts, and then we have our secret message file. Here they are in the file here. It's called Python-RSA. So basically it does the RSA encryption. Here's our two client files, client A, client B, and then the message itself. So I'm going to start this off from the beginning. This is a test message that is supposed to be secret. And then on our client A, we have the import of the RSA module. And here's where we generate our private key. And see, we save the keys here, public key, private key. And then down here, we open the file and read it. And then we open the private key. And what this does, it opens the message down here, creates the hash, then it signs the hash with the signature file, and then it saves it. So it's going to generate the public and private keys in this folder and also the signature. Client B over here also importing the RSA module. This is a function to open and read the file, the same one that you're going to see in here, over here, the same one. And see, it loads the public key that was generated from the client A, and it opens the signature file and the secret message. From there, it verifies the message that was generated with the signature that was generated with the public key. And if the message is the same that was generated when the signature and public key were generated, then you get the valid. If the message is different, then you get a signature invalid. So this could be a way to either secure a connection, make sure there's no man-in-the-middle attacks, or if you're doing cryptography. So we're going to do a demonstration here. We're going to have the folder over here so you can actually see what's going on. So right now, client A.py, client B.py, secret message. We're going to run client A. So you can see it ran with no errors, and look at that, we have a private key and a public key generated along with the signature. And you can see the files over here for a better view. And this is still what's in our secret message. So if you want to verify, you run the client B, and it's going to check the file along with what was generated earlier. So no new files have been generated, but you see in the terminal it prints signature is valid right here. So let's say we want to change this. I'm going to do like I did before and say, oops, this is not supposed to be here. And see, I'm going to save it. I'm going to run client B again. And up, now we're getting signature is invalid. And if we want to make it valid again, we would have to run client A again, then run client B. And that is my demonstration.